the main reason behind introducing plastic roads to India?
Basically, to use the byproduct, waste product of plastics. By saving the environment using the plastics. That's why the main reason is that use plastic in plastic roads.
So it is actually environmental, environmental use, but is there any technical use?
Technically,
Binding property.
in terms of binding properties, in terms of flexibility, using plastic as a coating, surface coating, it improves the strength of the roads also. At the same time, it decreases the use of bitumen also. Okay.
So, what is the main difference between the plastic roads and the normal roads?
There is no such difference, but it's a saving, cost saving process, and at the same time, environmentally you are saving the waste product you are saving in that point also. At the same time, the life of roads also increased by much more than traditional routes.
Is there any difference in
thermal stability,
melting point of
Thermal stability of plastic is higher than normal bitumen road because the plastic melts at the higher temperature. So by adding plastic, naturally it helps in higher temperature places like South India. Its temperature reaches around 60 degrees somewhere. In that places that what do you call blooding of bitumen increases more and more. It reduces the blooding basically by adding plastic. Reduce the bleeding. What do you mean? That bitumen comes out when temperature is higher. It looks like something sometimes liquid type road. It increases some type of problem creates when temperature higher.
What about Marshall stability and bulk stability when it comes to plastic roads?
I think by adding plastic, it naturally improves master stability because it's fiber nature, what you call flexibility in plastic. That's why it improves the master stability. बात करेंगे थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए plastics. अगर long time में बात करेंगे तो it reduces ductility because of UV radiation and other properties. It becomes brittle. At the for 3 to 4 years it's okay. Long time it becomes somewhat brittle by adding plastic.
So, can you explain what are the raw materials used in these plastic roads?
Just like in the bitumen road, aggregate, bitumen as a binder, plastic in the form of powder, shredded form. By adding plastic powder in dry process, there are two types of process basically: wet mix plant and dry process plant.
It's actually
laying different process. Actually, in a wet mix plant, you need very bigger plants and mechanical stirrers, coolants are required.
which is most widely used process, and the wet process and dry process.
At present, it will be available in future, but it's in basically
Dry process.
dry process.
What is the process of laying road in the dry process?
Aggregate by adding aggregate heating up to 170 degrees. This is aggregate prepared for to binding with bitumen and also at the same shredded plastic. Basically, by heating up aggregate, the material is ready for mixing with plastic and bitumen. By adding plastic and bitumen, then you have that material is available for road laying.
Actually, we add liquid mixing with
In that process, actually, we will use aggregate and plastic before heating, and then we will heat.
No. Aggregate heated separately, then plastic heated separately, then it form in a liquid form and spread on aggregate. It will form as a thin layer coating. Then we will add the bitumen as a binder. Okay.
Is there what are advantages mainly of this plastic roads?
Main advantage basically to save the environment and the at the same time also increasing stability of roads also. Thermal stability of roads.
Sir, is there any difference in cost of laying or maintenance using these plastic roads?
Basically, the cost of bitumen and the cost of plastic is somewhat higher side. Even collecting waste product of plastic, it costs around 70-80 rupees a kilo. At the same time, bitumen available at the rate of 50 rupees a kilo. But basic aim is to save the environment. That's all.
And what about the maintenance charges of this road?
Maintenance charges of
This plastic.
It is higher or lower than the
maintenance means it depends upon the road transport, road traffic and all other things. It depends upon road traffic basically.
in general, in compared to the
Basically the more and bitumistic material is used in road. Naturally, the life of roads increase.
Sir, till now we have seen those advantages and cost of laying plastic roads. Are there any places in India having plastic roads?
At present in South India, basically hot places it is recommended at this moment.
Is there any scope for further laying plastic roads?
Naturally, it is recommended in other parts also, but recommended is mostly in the southern parts where temperature is higher to stabilize the ductility part.
So, is there disadvantages? Everything will have any some disadvantages. Is there any disadvantages?
See, PVC, what you mean, this chemically based product. It reacts with the environment, water. It creates some leaching process. It has natural. It will penetrate the ground level, groundwater level. It causes some problem in this place.
Is it toxic or not? It is actually not as, I mean, inert or non-inert?
It's a inert type.
Is there any chemical form on the road?
It's
Is it
a inert type. Non-inert.
generally
Reacts with other material.
So it is non-inert. So some disadvantages.
So finally we can conclude the laying plastic roads is eco-friendly.
It's recommended for, and it will take some time the outcome of exactly side effects and advantages. It will take some more time. It's in research and it's implementing in some parts of India. It will take some time to lay guidelines regarding plastic.